I was trying to imagine when I was coming over here how it would sound to play these songs with the different instrumentation, and you know, a little bit nervous about it. And then as soon as I heard all these guys, they're just it just blew me away. They're amazing. It's they have to come home with me now.
I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my day. Well, I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and bred, the place where he was born and bred. For 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasure here on earth I found. For in this world I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. Well, he has no friends to help him now. Well, it's fare thee well, my whole true lover. I never expect to see you again. For I'm bound to ride that northern railroad. Perhaps I'll die upon this train. Perhaps he'll die upon this train. And you can bury me in some deep valley for many years where I may lay. Then you may learn to love another while I am sleeping in my grave, while he is sleeping in his grave. Well, maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger. My face you never will see no